Amber Heard, through her lawyer, demanded that Johnny Depp allow her to live rent-free in their apartments while he continued to pay the mortgage and utilities in exchange for keeping their increasingly messy divorce out of the media spotlight. That's according to the letter shown in the Virginia court as evidence in the recently concluded defamation trial. The letter, sent from Amber's attorney Samantha Spector to Depp's lawyer Laura Wasser in 2016 after the actress filed for divorce from the Pirate star, also demanded $125,000 to cover attorney's fees and the exclusive use and possession of a black Range Rover that Depp would continue to make payments for. The letter was entered into evidence as Wasser testified about the details of the divorce. A leaked email now appears to confirm all of these, with more evidence that Amber intended to siphon as many millions from Depp as she could. So what else did the actress demand in her outrageous letter? Let's find out. We all know about the Tinder swindler, this guy who makes women fall for him before taking all their money. Well, in the past, Texan and Hollywood star Amber Heard appeared to be the female version of that, going all out to make as much money as she could from her ex-husband Johnny Depp. At the height of the messy divorce in 2016, Amber instructed her lawyer to send a letter to Depp, requesting a list of things and threatening her Rum Diary co-star in the process. Although Amber is afraid of Johnny, she strongly insists that we do everything possible to keep this personal matter out of the media spotlight, the letter said, before noting that the Justice League star hadn't publicly filed a restraining order at the time. Her desire to keep things private is also why we did not arrange for Johnny to have been personally served at last night's movie premiere. Amber's attorneys wrote, "Well, that not only sounds like a threat, it is a threat." Depp was promoting Alice in Wonderland at the time of the couple's separation. The letter then listed Amber's demands, concluding, "We are indeed hopeful that we can swiftly work out mutually acceptable short and long-term solutions outside of the public eye." Depp himself testified in court about their tumultuous relationship and breakup. By the time the divorce was finalized in early 2017, Depp was on the hook for more than $14 million, according to Edward White, Depp's business manager, who also testified in Virginia. The amount included a whopping $7 million paid to Amber, as well as $500,000 for her lawyers, taxes, and all the bills for their jointly owned assets, White told the jury. The Paranoia star pledged to split the $7 million between donations to the ACLU and a children's hospital, but an ACLU executive who testified said it received only $1.3 million of the promised $3.5 million in her name, and that $500,000 of that money actually came from Elon Musk, whom Amber dated following her breakup with Depp. The bottom line is, all Amber cared about was Depp's money, life in the fast lane, and endless parties and vacations. From the moment the verdict was made public, there have been talks about Amber filing an appeal, and her legal team tried to have the verdict thrown out on more than one occasion. Now it's official. She appealed the order that requires her to pay Depp $10 million in damages. "We believe the court made errors that prevented a just and fair verdict consistent with the First Amendment," said a spokesperson for Amber. "We are therefore appealing the verdict. This is yet another extortion scheme hatched by the mother of one. Are we ever going to see the end of this real-life family drama? I doubt if it is so soon." Remember, this information is based on theories and opinions and therefore shouldn't be considered facts. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!